Diving into details. Mastering vivid descriptions in English. Hello, English language enthusiasts. Welcome to another exciting lesson on creative writing techniques. Today, we will be focusing on an important aspect of writing, using sensory language to create vivid descriptions. If you want to make your writing come alive, draw readers into your text, and make your narrative more relatable, then this lesson is just for you. First things first. What do we mean when we talk about sensory language? Sensory language is a way of writing that engages the reader's senses. This means including descriptions of what characters or narrators see, hear, touch, taste, and smell. By doing this, we can immerse our readers in the story, making them feel like they're a part of the world we're describing. Now you might be wondering, why should you use sensory language? Sensory language helps to bring your writing to life. It allows you to paint a picture with words, making your descriptions more vivid and engaging. This is particularly important in creative writing, where the aim is often to create an immersive and compelling story. The key to using sensory language effectively is to be specific and detailed. Don't just tell your readers about a scene or a character, show them. For instance, instead of saying, "She ate an apple," you could say, "She crunched into the ripe, juicy apple, its sweet tartness exploding in her mouth." Remember, sensory language isn't just about sight. Incorporate all the 5 senses. Describe the sound of a character's laughter, the smell of a bustling market, the feel of a fluffy kitten, or the taste of a creamy chocolate. Let's try an exercise to put what we've learned into practice. Imagine you're at a beach. Write a paragraph using sensory language to describe the scene. Remember to be specific and use all 5 senses. Practicing is key to mastering vivid descriptions. That brings us to the end of our lesson on using sensory language to create vivid descriptions. By engaging all the senses, you can make your writing more immersive, dynamic, and compelling. So, grab your pens or keyboards and start practicing now. Remember, like all skills, writing vivid descriptions takes time and practice, so don't be discouraged if it doesn't come naturally at first. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be painting beautiful pictures with words. Happy writing, and see you in the next lesson.